iPhone 17 price update and specs.
So this is the price for iPhone 17. So October 17 daw siya na-release. Ang 256 gigabytes niya, kung i-cash niyo is 57,990. Ang 512 gigabytes naman, ayan, merong lavender, may sage, may mist blue, white, and black. Ang price ng 512 gigabytes is 72,990 kung i-cash or straight ninyo siya. Now, ipapakita ko sa inyo, ha? Hawakan lang natin, kahit hawak. Kahit hawak lang, guys. So, ito siya, guys. Testing natin siya. Napaka-perfect because walang tao ngayon dito. Konti lang yung pumapasok kasi it's weekday. It's Wednesday. Ayan. So, meet iPhone 17. So, check natin yung camera. Saan nakalindot sa iPhone 17, miss? Camera. Ang refresh rate niya, miss? Paspas kayo. Pila yung refresh rate? Pila ni? 60.
Kani is 120.
Oo. Nya kaning iPhone Air.
Mara sila
Ganda ng camera, oh. Basta iPhone. Now, let's check the... Well, what I like about this is the... it's very handy. And yung edge niya is curved. Napaka-handy niya. Very lightweight siya. Ang color nito is lavender. Napakaganda ng camera niya, guys. Oh. Very particular kasi ako sa camera. Kasi nagla-live ako and then content creator din tayo. So, let's try the video. May na lang, guys, makakahawak tayo ng iPhone 17. So, this is the video quality of iPhone 17. Ayan, ang video quality niya. Now, let's check. It's very handy, guys. iPhone 17. Ayan, video quality niya. Grabe. Napaka-clear. Napaka-clear talaga. Ang ganda ng quality talaga. Basta iPhone, no? Video quality. Let's try again. Ganda ng quality talaga. Now, let's try the main camera. naman siya guys, hindi naman nagsisinungaling ang iPhone. Hindi naman minamagic yung face ko. Ayan, visible na visible talaga yung mga tagyawat. Okay. Tignan natin yung ibang features niya. So, i-delete muna natin yan. Napakaganda niya guys. What I like about is it's very handy talaga eh. Magaan lang siya. Magaan siya. And this is the price, 57,990. Eh, kung makaka-afford naman kayo ng iPhone, why not to choose iPhone, diba? Ayan siya. Napakaganda niya. Ayan siya guys.